So this is one of the more complex games from Nauru Island in the Pacific, recorded in 1938 by Honor Maud. So you need a long string for this, and it goes over your thumbs and little fingers and across the palm, like so. Then pick up the opposite palm string with the index fingers. So you've got opening A, and then you turn each finger in turn down, away, and up towards you. So you're putting a twist into each of these 3 finger loops on each hand. Down, away from you, and then up towards you. Down, away from you, and up towards you. And again, down, away, and up towards. And tighten that up. Now, the thumbs are going to go over the near little finger string, near index string, under the far index string, and under the near little finger string, and draw back the near little finger string through the index loops, like so. And now the indices go under the far thumb string, and lift it up, and then release the thumbs, and transfer that upper loop straight onto the thumbs. Okay, now the next one's a bit different. The little fingers have to come underneath the far index strings and over the near index strings. Get hold of the near thumb strings and draw it back through that gap. So that's a little bit different, and now becomes a far little finger string. And now with the indices, pick up the near little finger string, like so. Let go of the little fingers and transfer that upper loop on the indices straight onto the little fingers, letting go with the indices. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward, just that one comes through the loop a different way. Let go with the indices and pull a little bit tight to make the design just a little bit neater. Now again, we're going to do rotating movements. Rotate the little finger, rotate the thumb, rotate the little finger away from you, rotate the thumb away from you. Now just some finishing moves. So thumbs go under the near little finger string, draw back. Indices go under the far thumb string and lift it up, like so. Yeah, you got it. Now release the thumbs and transfer the upper loop onto the thumbs, upper index loop to the thumbs. Now indices come over the thumb loop this time, both of them, both strings, under the far thumb string, and then lift up with the indices the far little finger string, release little fingers, and transfer that top loop, the top index loop onto the thumb, onto the little fingers, like so. Now we're almost there. Indices go under the near thumb string, pick it up and release the thumbs, and thumbs go under all the strings till they go into the little finger loop. Draw back the near little finger string and the near thumb string together. Near little finger and near thumb. Yep. And let go the indices. Now we're ready for the end. The Caroline extension. Indices go under the near little finger string, and the far thumb string rather, under the far thumb string, pressing the thumbs against the indices, and there's your final design. So just a normal Caroline extension at the end. You may need the help from someone to sort it out and make the design look a bit neater, but that's it. Well done if you got there.